welcome back to OneMonroe. So this week, we are in for a very special trip, a plant tour of a toy factory. So get ready, grab your coats, and buckle up. We're taking off for the North Pole.
Thank you for arranging this tour, Barnaby. This place is amazing, and I'm so excited to see the whole operation.
Glad you made it up here, Holly. Let's head over to our main production area and start the tour.
Probably not what you envisioned. To keep up with demand, we had to grow and automate a few things.
Now I know why you guys have been ordering so many components from us. This is truly extraordinary.
Well, it couldn't have happened without all the help from OneMonroe.
Wait, did I just see who I think I saw? Was that Santa Claus?
Yep, that was him. And I think I know exactly where he's heading. Let's head that way. Well, hello, Holly. Welcome to the North Pole. I've been looking forward to meeting you. Tell me, how's the tour going so far?
It's been so amazing to see something like this in person. It's an incredible workshop.
Thank you so much, Santa. We're thrilled to be here and so happy we've been able to help such a special place.
Thank you, Holly. You and everyone at OneMonroe have been a tremendous help to us this season. And to all of OneMonroe, I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!